CDF korwa chibunge ime county ya Kisii niko bagwa keire bene emeroveri ya CDF kwaligani chigosori chia CDF tournaments yonto batire buna kwana na chireri bagaria bene asebiye gwa kurwa chigodi au ime chibunge kunyara koba bikoro kiwa kunyara koba bigosieru erinde ebiye gwa au byanyara gusukibu kogenda sekerengo kende.
My name is Rhoda. I've got the chair, the fund manager, Nyamira Counties. First, I want to really congratulate the girls for the good work they've done. It has not been easy. It was a journey that started a month ago, and we thank God that we are here. And I'm so glad that they are going to represent the county at the regional level. And I'm sure they're not going to just stop there, but they're going to go far, and they're going to carry the Kenyan flag and as CDF as the best team in the country. So to the girls, I want to wish you well, and I want to assure you that you're going to get all the support from the office. Everything else is going to be done, and we're going to make sure that you get the best so that you can give. CDF supports the talent. So for us, this is a good thing that they brought up, that we support and nurture talent for the young people. And so for this particular one, as much as we don't give cash awards, but we are sure that the coaching and the practices that they're getting from us can help someone to go far.
Tunasema ni asante kwa CDF Nyamira Counties kwa kutufanyia mazuri. Tuko na vifaa ya kuchezea na tunaelekea tutaenda national. Hakuna kitu ambayo itatushinda tusifike national. Tunaelekea na tunaomba wachezaji tukue one unit, vile tunaenda mbele hakuna mtu anabaki nyuma.
Na hata tunataka tuhakikisha saa hii tunataka tuende mpaka regionals, tusukume tuende mpaka nationals. Our ladies are very disciplined na wamejitumwa, wamefunga mabao mpaka 10, wamepatia kila mmoja goli yake.